Good morning student. Today we study polynomials and some example of polynomials. First, factorize the following terms: 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy plus 24yz plus 16xz. Second part, x cube plus 8y cube plus 6x square y plus 12xy square. C part, 8x cube minus y cube minus 12x square y plus 6y square. And D is 27a cube minus 64b cube minus 100a square b plus 144ab square. Now solution. First part is 4x cube plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy plus 24yz plus 16xz. We write as 4x square equal to 2x whole of square, 9y is 3y whole of square, 16z square 4z square, 12xy write as 2 into 2x plus 3y, 24yz write as 2 into 3y plus into 4z, and 16xz write as 2 into 4z plus 2xy. We have identity a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole of square. In place of a we have 2x, in place of b we have 3y, in place of c we have 4z. So this is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4z whole of square. Now next question is x cube plus 8y cube plus 16x square y plus 12xy square. X cube plus 8y cube is equal to 2y whole of cube. Now taking 6xy common in both terms, x plus 2y. 6xy write as 3 into x plus into 2y. We have identity a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b equal to a plus b whole of cube. A equal to x, b equal to 2y. Now x cube plus 2y whole of cube plus 3x into 2y, x plus 2y equal to x plus 2y whole of cube. This is the answer. Next question is 8x cube minus y cube minus 12x square y plus 6y square. 8x cube write as 2x का whole of cube minus y cube. Now taking 6yx common last two term, then we have 2x minus y. 6xy write as 3 into 2x into y, where a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b is equal to a minus b whole cube. In place of a we have 2x, in place of b we have y. Then 2x whole of cube minus y cube minus 3 into 2x into y into 2x minus y is equal to 2x minus y whole of cube. This is the answer. Next question, 27a cube minus 64b cube minus 108a square b plus 144ab square. 27a cube write at 3a whole of cube minus 4b whole of cube minus 36ab. Then we have 3a minus 4b, 3a cube minus 4b cube minus 36ab write as 3 into 3a into 4b. Then we have 3a minus 4b. We have formula a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b is equal to a minus b whole of cube. In place of a we have 3a, in place of b is equal to 4b. Then 3a cube minus 4b cube minus 3 into 3a into 4b, 3a minus 4b equal to 3a minus 4b whole of cube. Next question, verify 8x cube plus 27y cube equal to 2x plus 3y into 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square. And next is 27x cube minus 125y cube, 3x minus 5y, 9x square plus 15xy plus 25y square. Then now first part, 8x cube plus 27y cube is equal to 2x plus 3y, 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square. Right hand side, 2x plus 3y into 4x minus 6y plus 9y square. First 2x multiply in this part, then 3y multiply on this part. Then we have 2x bracket 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square plus 3y bracket 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square. Now we have 8x cube square minus 12x square y plus 18xy square plus 12x square y minus 18x square y plus 2 plus 27y cube. 18xy square cancelled by plus 18xy square plus 12x square y cancelled by minus 12x square y is equal to 8x cube plus 27y cube. This is left hand side, hence proof. Next part is 27x cube minus 125y cube is equal to 3x minus 5y and 9x square plus 15xy plus 25y square. We take right hand side, 3x minus 5y into 9x square plus 15xy plus 25y square. Now we multiply 3x into 9x square plus 15x plus 25 and minus 5y multiplied by 9x square plus 15xy plus 25y square. Then 45x square y cancelled by minus 45x square y, 75x y square cancelled by 75x square y. Then we have 27x cube minus 125 y cube. This is equal to left hand side as proved. Factorize x cube plus 8y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz and 27n cube minus 64n cube. Now we have solutions. X cube plus 8y cube 27z cube minus 18xy. We write as x cube plus 2y cube plus 3z cube minus 3 into x into 2y into 3z. We have formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab, which is equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca plus 3abc, where a equal to x, b equal to 2y and c equal to 3z. We replace this x is cube plus 2y cube plus 3z cube minus 3 into x into 2y into 3z minus 3x 2y 3z equal to first bracket x plus 2y 3z, second bracket x square plus 2y square plus 3z square minus x into 2y minus 2y into 3z minus 3z into x. Then we have x plus 2y plus 3z. In second bracket x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 2xy minus 6yz minus 3zx. This is answer. Second part of this question, 27m cube minus 64n cube, which is write as 3m whole of cube minus 4n whole of cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. A equal to 3m and b equal to 4n. We replace this 3m cube minus 4n cube equal to 3m minus 4n and 3m square plus 3m into 4n plus 4n square. Then 3m minus 4n, 9m square plus 12mn plus 16n square. Answer 3m minus 4m and 9m square plus 12mn plus 16n square. Next part is without actual calculating the cubes, find the value of 75 cube plus minus 45 cube plus 6 minus 30 cube. 25 cube minus 45 cube plus minus 30 cube. A equal to 75, b equal to minus 45 and c equal to minus 30. Then a plus b plus c equal to 75 minus 45 minus 30, which is equal to 75 minus 75 equal to 0. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. That is 75 cube minus 45 cube minus 30 cube equal to 3 into 75 minus 45 into minus 30. 3 into 75 equal to 225 and 225 into minus 45 equal to minus 10125 into minus 30 is equal to 303750. This is the answer, 3,03,750. Next part, if 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 0, then show that 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 64z cube equal to 72xyz. 8x cube write as 2x cube, 27y cube, 3y cube and 64z cube equal to 4z cube. A equal to 2x, b equal to 3y, c equal to 4z. We know that a plus b plus equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3c. Since we have 2x plus 3y 4z equal to 0, this is given. So 2x cube plus 2y cube plus 4z cube equal to 3 into 2x into 3y into 4 is equal to 22xyz. Hence proved. In this way, all the students solve the given questions. Thank you. Good day.